Ever pondered about the health benefits of your current dinner options? Well, today we're diving into the Mediterranean diet, a treasure trove of flavors rich in nutrients and proven for its myriad health benefits. Our first stop is the tantalizing garlic lime grilled chicken. Imagine 6 ounces of succulent chicken breast marinated in a mix of minced garlic cloves, a pinch of salt and pepper, and the zesty kick of lime juice. After an hour of marinating, it's off to the hot grill, cooking to perfection for about 12 minutes. Pair this with a crispy salad of onions, tomatoes, and cucumber tossed in olive oil, and there you have it, a delicious, health-packed dinner. Next, we have the Mediterranean mozzarella baked salmon. This masterpiece starts with a 5-ounce salmon fillet marinating in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and soy sauce. After 30 minutes, it's oven time at a cozy 350 degrees. After about 15 minutes, or until it reaches your desired temperature, top it off with a sprinkle of salt and pepper and a generous portion of mozzarella cheese. With a drizzle of balsamic vinegar, your Mediterranean masterpiece is ready to be savored. Last but not least, we have the grilled swordfish with zucchini and squash pasta. This dish begins with a 5-ounce swordfish rubbed with oil and lemon, then grilled to perfection in about 6 minutes. As your fish grills, sauté your zucchini, squash, and onions. Cook your angel hair pasta until it's 3/4 done, toss it in olive oil with the sautéed veggies, and place it in a bowl. Top it off with your grilled swordfish, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and a pinch of oregano for an added touch of Mediterranean flair. These recipes provide a glimpse into the Mediterranean diet's vast array of health benefits and delicious flavors. This diet is not just about eating right, it's about savoring the rich tapestry of flavors that the Mediterranean region has to offer. It's about heart health, longevity, and enjoying every bite along the way. So next time you're pondering over dinner options, why not take a trip to the Mediterranean?